For a closer look at this week's weather, I'm joined by Sky News weather meteorologist Rob Sharpe. Hi there, Rob. Are South Australia under a severe weather warning? What are you expecting from this weather event?
Yeah, some gusty winds and a little bit of rain with this first event that's going to be crossing the country this week. It comes off the back of this same system drenching the west coast yesterday and bringing even a little bit of light snow to Bluff Knoll this morning. So it's the coldest weather of the year so far for the southwest behind this change, and that's now running into South Australia where wet and windy weather is currently picking up. We've seen gusts almost up to 90 kilometres an hour, but we're likely to see it exceed that mark in these yellow shaded areas through this afternoon. So windy weather just ahead of that cold front. Thankfully, Adelaide should escape the severe weather from this, but this weather system is going to bring significant rain as well as it tracks further east into Victoria and New South Wales, and then all the way up to Queensland and down to Tasmania at the same time. So Tuesday night into Wednesday, significant wet weather streaming across many areas of the east of the country, particularly on and west of the Great Divide. The main areas to miss out on this weather system are along the New South Wales coast, where there's just the chance of a little bit of wet weather on Tuesday and Wednesday, such as in Sydney.
And looking further ahead, Rob, will we see more rain later this week?
We will see much more rain this week, Lay. There's an even bigger weather system following in behind it. You can see that reaching the west coast on Wednesday and then flowing across the country slowly with a low pressure system bringing areas of rain that will gradually tend to snow for the alpine areas as well. And there's even the chance of another system coming on the back of that Sunday into next week as well. So a lot of wet weather on the cards for the country. You can see areas in the green, 15 to 50 millimetres over pretty much all of the Murray-Darling Basin, northern Tassie, and also northeast Vic and southern ranges of New South Wales should see more than 50 millimetres in that teal shading. So this is the wettest week of winter for the country as a whole, and for many of our drought-affected areas down south, it looks very promising indeed. We'll be watching this system quite closely all week, Lay, on Channel 601.
Thanks so much for that, Rob.